Italian chef that from Italy I moved all the way to Texas to work for the very best barbecue place in business, to learn the craft of barbecue. Now I teach barbecue worldwide. My name is Max and this is Texicana BBQ. What's up everybody, Texicana BBQ. Today we're going to talk about barbecue dessert. We are in Como, Italy at Azienda Agricola Il Centro. Como is probably the most popular place to have gelato or ice cream in Italy. Como and his famous lake, of course Lake Como, is located not too far from Milan, Switzerland and France. Until a few years ago was relatively unknown. It gained popularity because George Clooney bought a property there. Lake Como is a perfect getaway from stressed out people from cities like Milan that want to take a short break. Take some picture, eat some wonderful gelato, life is good. But now let's get going and make some desserts. Today we're gonna make two desserts, burnt cheesecake and tallow gelato, salted caramel gelato. This is our gelato or ice cream maker. In gelato making, what's important is a balance for the texture of sugar, the solid part of the milk, water, and a thickener, which usually is a caruba powder. In normal ice cream, the fat comes from the heavy cream, but in this case, we're going to use tallow, beef rendered fat. If you don't know what tallow is, which is particularly useful in barbecue also, check out the link above, how to make tallow. Now with Lorenzo, owner of Agriturismo Il Centro and pastry and gelato chef, we're going to mix all the ingredients to make our gelato. Making gelato is an art. With Lorenzo, we were doing the right way, from scratch. We basically mix together the powder and the water. We add tallow and milk. And just because Lucio, Lorenzo's father, he makes his own honey, we have to add some homemade honey. And that brought back some memories when I used to make honey at home when I was a little kid with my dad. And here we go. 100 grams of honey, last mix, and our ice cream solution is ready to go in the gelato maker. We're using a Bravo Trittico, which is one of the best professional machine in gelato making. The process, how we say in Italy, of mantecatura, it happens in two steps. The first step is the pasteurization. The gelato that we're putting now in a liquid form will be brought up to 85 degrees Celsius, which is 185 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, the gelato will go down in another vault where it will be brought to minus 10 degrees Celsius, minus 50 Fahrenheit. And after about 15 minutes, our smoked tallow salted caramel gelato, it's about ready. In gelato making, from scratch, balancing the right amount of liquid, sugar, and fat is essential. And also having a great ice cream machine, it helps. Because you need an engine and a compressor strong enough to bring down the temperature and at the same time incorporate a little bit of air into your gelato. And if you want to make great gelato at home, you need the right machine, you need the right ingredient. Maybe you should read a nice book, and you can find all this in my Amazon store. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description. Smoked tallow, it does make the difference. We have this aftertaste, like smoked aftertaste, very interesting. For the Basque burnt cheesecake, super easy to make. We add all the ingredients on a low speed in a mixer. We let it mix it thoroughly for a few minutes. Then we switch to medium speed and we slowly add the flour. And we let it go for 3-4 minutes, just enough to let it incorporate some air in it. And once our fluffy mix is ready, we'll put in a buttered cake pan with a couple of sheets of wax paper in it. Next step, we're going to run 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for about an hour-ish. Of course, you can do it totally at home in your oven, same temperature, but like this, it will be the real deal. It will be smoky, burn, nice char. It's gonna be great. And after about an hour and 15 minutes, that's what we got. Now we have to let it rest for a couple of hours until it gets to room temperature. Okay, so we have our burnt cheesecake. It cooled down for about an hour. As you can see now, it's nice and firm. And we have over here about 4 pounds of smoked tallow, salted caramel, gelato. Okay, let's cut the cake. This is about the way it should be. Nice and juicy. Okay. Let's see. We'll cut this side. This side. Now let's see how creamy it is. Gotta be very gentle. Alright. And that is a smoked tallow burnt cheesecake. We're just gonna add a couple of cannelle of smoked tallow, salted caramel, gelato, little touch of hazelnut, molten salt, and we're pretty good to go. And that'll be all for today. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Texicana BBQ. Support my channel by subscribing and sharing my content. And I'll see you soon. Ciao!